satisfied with your digital art, Etsy will start showing your images and digital arts to a lot more people, which will make you a lot more money. So you want to focus on satisfying your customers by providing them with high quality and attractive digital arts. Another very important tip is you don't want to upload only one image or only one digital art. You want to upload as many of these as you can, and the more images and digital arts you upload, the more money you'll end up making. So now let me show you a bonus way to get faster results. I want you to go to facebook.com and then click on this search box here and search for digital art for sale. And I want you to click on this group option here. And as you can see, there are hundreds of these groups with hundreds of thousands of members in many of these groups. Now, you want to join as many of these groups as possible, introduce yourself in these groups, and let them know that your product, uh, about your products, and then start posting your link to your Etsy store, and then you'll get more buyers from these groups. That's all I have for this video. I hope you found value in it. Again, if you like it, go ahead and like and subscribe. And I'll have more videos coming up in the next few weeks. Just stay tuned. If you subscribe, you'll get the notification